Hello everyone. First of all, we would like to thank the organizers for creating an opportunity for us to participate in the hackathon. So this is Combat COVID-19 team. We have developed a responsive web application called Assessment and Contact Tracing. It is device agnostic application and it can be accessed by phone, tab, laptop, workstations, all the devices. We'd like to show you how an individual can use this app to make themselves and manage the COVID-19 situation. With this, we would like to go through this application. So the individual, when they access this application, the first page that it comes to capture the profile details. This is the first name, last name, date of birth, gender, then the email ID, phone numbers. So please note that depending on that country or the country code, it actually displays the respective flag of that country. So as of now, we have set up 2 countries. So United States of America, States, California, County Novato, City Novato, Marion Park, the zip code. So with this, we will start this assessment. Once that assessment starts, it displays a set of questions. So we are expecting that individual to answer the questions in the form of yes and no. Once all the 5 questions are answered, the system actually applies that intelligence to check the risk of that individual based on that answers. If it finds very high risk or medium or low risk based on the score that through this intelligence it decides. So it shows that test results in the next page. Please give us a second. So this is the score that has come based on that answer. The assessment result shows that it is 80%, which is high. So based on that answer, it can be low, it can be medium. However, in this case, it is high. So we are also giving the link for the COVID guidance, as well as if that individual is identified as high risk, then through this Corona Center link, click here. It takes you to that providers list. So this provider list are nothing but based on that individual's geolocation. It displays that list of service providers, or actually the test centers here, with their address details and the phone number, so that that individual can go to the test centers that is convenient to them and then get that COVID-19 tested. At the same time, the system also sends an email. We'll show you how that email actually looks like and what that individuals can do. So this is that email actually giving a thank you from our tool for taking that self-assessment, and that individual go for that test to the test center. In case if that individual is identified as positive after the test, then the individual can come to this email and then click on that link to go to the tracing application. Okay. So this contact tracing application, it also actually has that option to all the social media through which they can update their status. At the same time, based on their knowledge, whoever came in contact in the last 14 days, they can provide those names and their email IDs if they know it. They can add any number of people in that list based on their last 14 days who came close contact, and then can submit the details, and then system actually notify them through email saying that this person actually came in contact to you who has been diagnosed as a positive. So we recommend you to take this COVID-19 test, and it is better to self-quarantine so that it helps you actually to spread this coronavirus to the society. So this application's primary goal is how to enable that individuals to take that self-assessment, and then they get to know the list of service providers nearby where they can go to take the test. And then it also helps to capture the contact persons in the last few days who have been tested as positive. At this point in time, we are actually capturing that contact details from that assessment persons, whoever is taking that assessment. In the future, our plan is actually to automate this identification of the contact tracing through geolocation as well as that telecom data. That can be an enhancement in the future. So as of now, this is what that capability that we have built as a part of our assessment and contact tracing application. Thank you very much.